Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you use Avast Free Antivirus to protect your computer. So here you can see Avast Free Antivirus is installed in my computer. So let me open this. So here you can see Avast Free Antivirus is launching. So here it is. So by clicking on Run Smart Scan, I can scan my computer for the malware. So here you can see it is working and scanning my computer. It is scanning C drive and then will scan all the drives on my computer. So now I will show you how can you download this software on your computer. So for downloading this software, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. Now here on the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Avast. Let me search Avast Free Antivirus. So here it is. Now click on it. So here you can see, as I have already installed this is showing as open. In your case, this will show as install. So by clicking on install, you can download Avast Free Antivirus on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.